director, go for launch.
3, 2, 1, engines full power, and liftoff. Go bandwagon, go ADD 425.
Have you ever wondered how you get instant results the moment you search for anything on the internet? It almost feels like a magic, right? But this is what actually happens in the backend. Have a look. In reality, your data is printing through thousands of miles of cables to massive physical buildings called data centers, processing your request and zipping back to your screen. But here's the catch. These data centers are becoming a massive problem. First, they demand huge amounts of land. We're talking spaces big enough to fit stadiums, malls, even small neighborhoods. And once they arrive, they pull so much power from the local grid, often consuming more electricity than small towns. Then comes the AI boom, and suddenly these facilities are working overtime, acting like power-hungry beasts. They generate so much heat that we are wasting billions of gallons of fresh water just to keep them cool. Water that is drying up rivers and putting even more pressure on already fragile ecosystems. In short, we are heating up the planet just so we can have chat with the AI bots. So the big tech has come up with a pretty wild solution to fix this problem. Why not just shoot the servers into space? It sounds crazy, but Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Google Sundar Pichai are pouring money into this orbital data center race. And honestly, the logic makes sense, because space is naturally freezing cold, so you don't need giant cooling towers or millions of liters of fresh water to stop servers from overheating. Cooling is literally free out there. And on top of that, the sun never really sets in the space the way it does on Earth, so you get constant, uninterrupted solar power 24/7 without clouds, rain, or nighttime getting in the way. It's like having an unlimited power source shining directly on the solar panels all the time. And if you think this is sci-fi, think again. An Nvidia-backed startup called Starcloud just proved it works. They launched a satellite with an 800 graphic processing unit, sending a chip into outer space that's 100 times more powerful than any GPU compute that has been in space before. Now, the company Starcloud 1 satellite is running and querying responses from Gemma, an open large language model from Google in orbit, making the first time in history that an LLM has been run on a high-powered Nvidia GPU in outer space. And it also sent a message as, "Greetings Earthlings, of course it's not all smooth sailing. Imagine trying to fix a broken server while floating around in zero gravity. Just swapping a cable becomes a full-on space mission." There is also the problem of how the data travels between Earth and space. Every piece of information, your messages, searches, videos, has to be beamed thousands of kilometers up to the satellite and then back down again. That means potential signal loss. So what do you think? Is moving the internet to space a genius move or a disaster waiting to happen? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Noor Info Zone for more updates and stories that matter. Have a great time ahead.